Service in Goodland has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Rawlins County in northwestern Kansas, southwestern Decatur County in northwestern Kansas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles southeast of Ludell, or 14 miles southeast of Atwood, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and tennis ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Rawlins and southwestern Decatur counties. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Decatur, and Rawlins.